Compound operators are a shorthand way to calculate variables. Usually it's when you're updating the value of a variable. For example, you are adding 1 to a counter. You can also use it in addition to the plus sign. You can use the subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulo, which is remainder. So let's look at this. We have age is equal to age plus 1. Age is equal to age minus 1. So you can see the pattern here. It's age is equal to age times 1 divided by 1 and then the percent 1. In this case, whenever you have a variable and you are updating that variable by whatever number it should be, it could be plus 2, minus 2, whatever it might be. Anytime you're updating the value of that variable and your variable is equal to the same variable plus, minus, or whatever it might be, then you can use this shortcut way to express the formula. So you can see age equals age plus 1 would just be age plus equal to 1. And that's the shortcut way of adding that value, 1 or whatever it might be, back to the same variable. So practice with those. They do make it a little bit easier if you are incrementing in particular or performing counting procedures.